so many exchanges. Which one you should choose when you want to start investing to crypto? You see an ad there that eToro offers you free way how you can buy crypto. Robinhood offers you 2 free way how you can buy crypto. But is it true? Is it really that way that like those are the best ones that you can buy crypto with? In this video, I'm going to focus and show you the best crypto exchanges that you can buy crypto with. And this is based on my experience with most of the crypto brokers or crypto exchanges. I'm not paid by any of them. And in the first part I'm going to show you is that those which I don't recommend at all to use, like just don't use them, and I have my reasons for it. So when someone is going to ask you, like if they want to invest into crypto and they're going to ask you what do you think about them, you can say that, okay, I don't recommend using those only because they're not that great because of these reasons. And then I'm going to show you like those which I recommend for you to use. Now, let's start with those that I don't recommend. The first one, eToro. eToro, you're gonna see many ads about it, that, oh my God, you need to invest into crypto with eToro. Not true at all, don't do it. Why? First one is high fees. You see it here, Dash, Ripple, Bitcoin, 0.7, 1.9. They say that it's free. Yes, it's free, but they have high spread fees. The spread is the difference between the buy and sell prices of a certain asset. Spreads are a common way in which trading platform charges fees. Like most of the platforms, when they offer you a free way how you can buy crypto, it's not free. They got spread fees. And now you see right here, 2%. Ethereum got like 2% nearly. Look at this. Binance, 0.10. Kraken, 0.16. Crypto.com, 0.10, 0.16. KuCoin got around that too, I think. Yep, 0.10. You see it right here. God damn, eToro is damn expensive. The first thing. The second thing, that you don't have many coins that you can buy with your money. So when you want to use eToro, you see that you don't have just like many coins comparing to Binance, comparing to the others. But yes, you see like Dogecoin, or like, I don't know how should I read it, 2.9%, which is also pretty high. So don't use eToro, high fees comparing to the others. Customer support is kind of non-existent, and it's kind of hard to, they got sometimes technical difficulties, and because of this, I don't really like eToro. Now, the second one that I don't recommend to use is Robinhood. Robinhood, thanks to Robinhood, you can actually withdraw your crypto. What you need to do is when you want to withdraw your crypto, you need to sell it, first thing. Then you need to pay taxes, and then you can actually transfer your money to different broker, different exchange. And it's so bad, right? So I wouldn't actually recommend doing that, and you shouldn't do it. It's a bad idea. So that's something that I wouldn't do, and this is the first thing. Robinhood got also high fees, about 1 to 1.5%. Those are spread fees too. They will say to you that, okay, you can invest to crypto for free. Not true at all. They got fees too. So Robinhood is another thing, and I wouldn't use it for buying crypto. For buying stocks, all right. For long-term holding, all right. But other than that, I wouldn't use Robinhood. The third thing is Revolut. Revolut is mainly European app. Again, I don't recommend using it. They're not transparent about the fees that much, and they got the highest fees on the market. They go about 2.5% for buying and selling, so you're just gonna pay 5 to 6% the fees for Robinhood, for the Revolut. That's the first thing. The second thing is that you can't actually withdraw money from Revolut. You can withdraw the crypto money from Revolut, crypto coins. You need to again sell it, and then you can buy on different platforms. So my like recommendation: don't use Revolut, don't use Robinhood, don't use eToro. And now those which I recommend for you to use. The first one is Binance. I use Binance for like 4 years right now, and I'm heavily satisfied with it. In my opinion, Binance is like top notch that you can use. So two things about Binance. First thing first, free even. They've been here for like a real long time, and they are one of the most stable ones on the market. They got really low fees, and if you use the link down below in the description, you will get even 5% less fees. So that's pretty good. You see that Maker Taker 0.10. If you're gonna use it with a BNB deduction discount, that's 25%. And if you would actually use it like with my 5%, it's another 5% from this. So that's like damn good, right? So that's something that I would definitely recommend for you to use. And let's go to the next one. The third one is a Coinbase that I recommend to use. But one thing about Binance, guys, Binance is perfect is in one regard is that you're gonna have like plenty of coins, plenty of altcoins that you can buy. But there is this advantage about Binance is that it's a little bit complicated. To actually learn and master Binance, it's going to take a time. Then let's go to Coinbase. Coinbase, my recommendation, you shouldn't use Coinbase, you should use Coinbase Pro. Why is that? Coinbase offers you, how it's called, higher fees because you're buying crypto from retail. Coinbase, in my opinion, is one of the most easiest ones on the market. And if you want to use Coinbase, you can get $10 for free with the link down in the description. And how does it work? When you want to buy from Coinbase.com, you click buy and sell here, 1,000 euro. Look at the fees, which is pretty high, 38 euro out of 1,000. And now, listen to this. If I'm going to use Coinbase Pro, in which I'm trading with other people, then I'm going to pay, look at this fees, 5 euro only. So that's pretty good. And when I go here to the, not orders, fees, and I hope you can see it right here, yep. You see 0.50, 0.50. It's again more expensive than Binance, but like it's much easier to master and use. I've been using Coinbase and Binance both, and in my opinion, they are both really good. So, but Coinbase got higher fees. Choose which one you want. I recommend using Binance. Then we have Kraken here. Kraken, again, real low fee, 0.16, 0.26. Plenty of people are happy with using Kraken. They say that, okay, I don't personally use Kraken, but I see plenty of recommendations that people are happy with the support. They are happy how the whole platform works. So that's something that I would recommend. The next one is Crypto.com. Crypto.com, again, real low fees. Plenty of people are using it. So maker taker 0.10. If you're going to use the CRO, the crypto token, then you have even lower fees. So that's something you can do. Discounted maker taker recommendation. And then we have a KuCoin here. KuCoin is another platform. When I look on a fees, 0.10, 0.10. And I think you can get even less if you're using KuCoin token. So that's something that I recommend for you to use. So to summarize this whole video, don't use eToro, don't use Robinhood, don't use Revolut. Those are like mistakes if you're going to use them. High fees, not transparent about the fees. And also eToro got withdrawal fees, so that's another fee that you would pay. Then we have a Binance. Binance, positive things, low fees, real low fees. Then we have like you can get 5% even less if you're going to use the link down below in the description. Then another thing is that what I wanted to share with you is that yes, it's a little bit hard to master on how we can actually use it. So that's something you should definitely keep in mind. And then we're going to have a Coinbase. Coinbase.com, plenty, really good platform for people who are starting out. And I would definitely recommend using it if you just really, really starting out. You can make and start investing money into a Coinbase. One thing is that don't use Coinbase.com, use Pro Coinbase on which you're going to trade with other people, only because on Coinbase.com, the fees are much, 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 much higher. And let's go further. Then we have a Kraken here. Kraken, good. Stablecoin maker taker 0.16, 0 to 26, higher than Binance, but again, you can use that. Then we have Crypto.com. Again, those are real low fees based on also if you're going to use like Crypto.com CRO token, you can do it. And then we have a KuCoin. KuCoin is another platform. You can definitely check it out. So that's something you can definitely do. So yeah, thank you very much guys for watching. If you're gonna have any questions, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.